I'm going to present our project and key activity. That project is our detergent and it is named after the same product as droplet. We're going to announce the materials and the percentage that it is concentrated in our detergent, and the percentage is measured by percentage by weight of our developed product. In this case, it's going to be 2.205 pounds or 1 kilo. First, we have our polymers, that it is the double-same sodium sulfonate or DBS. It is one that will help in the functioning for our detergents and in the adding of surfaces. It is concentrating at 4.5% by weight. Then we found our sodium metasilicate. It is also another polymer that will help in the functioning, and in most of the surface it is important by the acting of the detergent. It is concentrated also in a 4.5%. Then we found one of our most important materials and the base of our detergent. We have our acacia conchina, a biodegradable material. It is also our surfactant, and its chemical structure is similar to the lauryl ether sodium sulfonate. It is concentrated at 2.5% by weight. It is very important that it is not the most concentrated in our product, because it is only the base of the detergent. Then we found butylthioyazole. It is concentrated at 1.8% by weight. And finally, we found our both enzymes, and this help in the brightness the usage of our detergent. First, we have the sodium tripolyphosphate, concentrated at 1.2% by weight. And finally, we found the sodium hydroxide or lye, concentrating at 1.0% by weight. All of these materials are going to be dissolved in water to give us the sum of 2.205 pounds. We're going to proceed with step by step for the elaboration of our detergents. And I have to mention that there is not important which material we add first or lately, because the detergent is the same. The only thing that will determine of the addition and the step by step is the efficiency. The materials we add before or after our surfactant is going to determine how efficient our detergent is. Here we have our materials and our dissolvent, that is water, and now a magnetic starter that will help us in dissolving the materials into the solution. We're going to proceed to add each one of the materials into the solution, and we're going to turn on the magnetic starter. As you can see, it helps us in dissolving the solution. First, we add the DBS, the disulfide sulfonate. It has to be a bit slowly. As you can see, the solution can switch its color from no to now calm white. Now we add the other material, that is our metasilicate of sodium. And we do it with the same procedure. Calmly, with the help of the spoon, and waiting for each one of the materials to be dissolved in the magnetic striper. Now our solution is a bit concentrated sensor, and it is turning a bit slowly. Okay, wait in order to make it dissolve. And now the change that we can see is the appearance of the foam. Foam is not a problem since all the other materials can be dissolved effectively into the solution. Make the same procedure. And now we add the Lori ether or our Acacia conchina. Now, as you can see, it is a bit of remaining into the bottle, so we going to add a bit of water in order for it to be detached from the surface of the bottle. We just give a little turnings and add it again. It is important that each milligram or gram of the materials is added into the solution. We're going to add now albutyl salt with the same procedure as the Acacia conchina. It is a bit of remaining. I add a bit of water and repeat the procedure. Now I can add our lye into the solution. Is just a bit, and it has a similar density as the Acacia conchina. We repeat the procedure, give some turnings, and add it again. Now I'm going to add one of the important materials. There is my triple E phosphate. It needs to be done with the same procedure as the solid materials. We have to wait for it to be dissolved and add it slowly. It's just a bit of remaining in the edge of the bottle. And now I can proceed to add the remaining water to help my substance be dissolved. As you can see, the borders clean themselves with the water. And by it, I have finished my detergent. It has to wait and rest for some minutes in order to it be finished like this. I'm going to show you one of the detergents that have been forcibly rested. This is the same detergent as this one, but this has been rested for some 15 or 20 minutes. As you can see, the color changed. It has less soap than this, and it is more clear through the bottle.